Update for the house building before we back to Australia.
What? What, where are you going?
This I'm pretty sure that we just buy a few days ago. Start using already. Put cover. Yeah, put cover for doesn't get the sun. Ano? Gana si Za? Ikaw nagpin? Dali ra?
Dali ra.
Magmas gajud tanan magsalamin kaya spray aran ko am. Dali alis na dali ra gajud si Za. Lahi man gajud an agi nan pintura sa nanjaon spray adon
mulusot ra gyapon kon lahi ra gana spray gajud.
See, look at that one. It's different. Yeah. Okay.
Ta pagbali maya naman. Umpid man paglawan dali ra.
Tipid sab sa pintura.
Amo.
That's a high school. Chicken. Roaster. Ikaw nagkuan gamit? Magkuan sab salamin sa nandiyan dako gud na master.
Okay. You put your windows in.
You wanna go up?
Go on. Please put your windows in.
Oh yeah. That's the garage. That's the garage where that one. This is
Parking her new car.
yeah. This is my new car. Oh, this is the parking for my new car coming soon. Wow. This is the main road, or the main entrance.
You right? 1, 2. Someone look, they put a little pole there for you to walk up.
I can't. I don't want to be dirty. My shoes is already dirty. I don't want to be too muddy.
Come on, princess. Queen of the Philippines.
Yeah. What is that? Owl dirting. So another update. They have already finishing this one.
Yeah.
Before they put the.
It all goes under in the ground anyway.
Yep. That's not. Getting the windows. So this is the master bedroom downstairs.
Lounge room.
No.
Lounge
Oh
room.
yeah, this is the lounge room. So.
Bloody yes.
And this is the
That'll be
electrical room slash wardrobe, toilet and shower.
not got there yet.
This is the hallway. Don't go in there. This is the door going to garage.
Master
And this
bedroom.
is
Guest room.
guest room. And see, that's good. They got upgrade for finishing before they put the. This is an open downstairs open laundry slash
Storage.
cabinet storage. This is another storage. This one. This is a
Cupboard.
linen cupboard slash
Downstairs.
toilet. And this we're going to. This is the lounge room area. Lounge room. Lounge. Going to master dining area that way. And then sliding down. We're going to what you call it? Espresso also?
Alfresco.
El Fresco. So sliding door. This is our. What's this?
Kitchen.
Kitchen bench in the middle.
That's family room.
Kitchen
Over
there.
there.
One. And then this is the way going to
Walk in.
walk in
Pantry.
pantry. the way doors going to the garage, and then laundry in the left side. See, left or right. Oh. The boxing up already. Okay, let's go up. I'll just do a quick video. Upgrade. So this.
Nothing me.
Come on, we go up. Have to be careful when you go upstairs, kids.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna stay in here. Okay, my bag. Be careful. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
There's your windows.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 steps, 16. So that's the one. Ooh. That's the, what you call this? The light stairwells. That one.
Windows for the stairwell.
Stairwells with the window so it doesn't get too dark. This is where I stand now, is the computer room. That's covered. Yeah. Getting there.
Roof too.
The roll. Did you double check what's the, how did you weld, or is that all good? Standard? Standard, above standard. We're going to the master bedroom first.
Be careful.
This is, be careful, come over here. This is the door going to the terrace, another big terrace. This is the we going to the master bedroom. So this is the lane closet, walk-in closet.
Ruby's walk-in closet.
This last full,
Yeah, right.
little bit full.
In the back room.
And this is the master bedroom area. So just the roofing.
That's the bathroom.
That one, I start doing the roof first.
And shower.
Don't touch it. It's the windows. This is the toilet, shower, bathroom. Like the windows. Double up the roof. And then from the master bedroom, they got on terrace area, balcony. You're gonna be sliding door in here. Okay, kids, stop. Going back to the other room.
There's the family room.
So this is a family lounge room.
Family room.
Family
Oh
room.
no, rumpus room.
Rumpus room. Make your mind up, really. Careful, careful, careful.
A lot of nails. And a lot of liquid.
Another, no, that's the things. Is another, what you call in here?
Bathroom. Upstairs bathroom.
Bath,
Toilet.
upstairs bathroom, toilet, shower.
Sweet.
Another room, bedroom. Yeah. Have a look the row. Trusses. So the boxing up already the whole the rooms. So this is another what is a walk-in pantry, double door to the other side and door in this side.
Get split in the middle.
Split, they have split in the door in the middle for this cupboard. Okay, next 2 bedroom. Don't touch the string na. Another bedroom. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is the 4 bedrooms in here, in upstairs. So 4 bedroom upstairs, 1 downstream.
3.
No, 3 bedroom, 1 office, and 1 bedroom in downstairs. I like this room because too many views. The view here, the view there. This is the contractor house. Be careful, be careful.
Yeah. Now my English is careful.
English na gani, be careful.
And then English got the default. Wala.
Okay. Just go around the outside. Be careful, kids.
Okay.
I'll go down now. They got another terrace in the other side. So, big terrace. Party. Lounge party. Garage. Careful, Paul.
Yeah.
Ito na, Peng. Oh, na, Peng.
You alright, Sophia? No. You alright? Jump down.
Help. Be careful.
Mami, tanong natin ayaw. Pag-ano? City. Whoa!
You
We
alright?
go this way first and then we end up to the other house. Gravel and sand. Be careful, oh. Careful. String.
The farm.
Yes, this is the farm. This is the piggery slash daddy hideout.
Carabao.
Carabao over there.
Where?
Now,
Oh, there. Yeah. Brick manufacturing.
this is the area to make mix the
Mix the
cement, and this is the bricks, making bricks area. See, on this shade. Neighbor surrounding. Come on, we don't go this one because too many nails. So we just go back to the way it is because it's scared. We come this way. Fall up, rubbish to be burned, cleaning up. Still a long way to go. I know. You should get a hat or umbrella.
no umbrella.
No umbrella. Come on. Huh? Yes, I did. Going back.
Where you go?
Yeah. This is the front
You.
of the house.
Like me.
Who's that? Nice cloud, nice weather, so hot. Come on, we're going to the builder's house. Come on, Peng. Aya. Aya, Bel. chuk. Chuk, 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 chuk.
Mami.
Stop it na. Hello everyone! Kamusta na mga dudong? Ya ka mo mga hangover?
Kay, kung naka-over sila, pag absent,
Absent ka
double
din.
absent.